I'm guessing this is the device you connect to your vehicle that connects to the trailer to charge the batteries while you're driving. That's my guess. So I already have a setup in my tow vehicle, so I don't know, should I add this and take out the other one since it's got this big old box? I don't know. What do you guys think? What's your input? Guessing that's the ground. Obviously these go to the batteries. Fused. Obviously that's the Anderson plug that plugs into the front of the trailer. So never seen something like this before for my other Anderson plug setups for my vehicle.